how to know if someone has ignored you on Messenger. So if you want to know that if someone has ignored you or not, then first of all you have to open up your Messenger application. So after opening, now if you simply go to the upper left corner, and then you can go to the upper right corner which has settings, and if you scroll down here, we don't have an option to see that who has particularly ignored us on Messenger. So not possible to know, but there are some steps. So first you need to add a story. So if you have a friend, then tell that friend to add a story, and then you have to add that story. And if the person whom you would like to know that if that person has ignored you or not, then if that person sees your friend's story, but if he has not seen your story, then that means that person is ignoring you. And another way to check that is you can open up your Facebook application, and then if you go and search for that person's ID, for example, I'll be choosing this page or this ID. For example, if this is that person, then if you simply scroll down, and here you will find that the date of that post, right? So if that post is recently added, or if that person has recently added a post, then that means that person is online and that person is active on social media, but he's not answering your text, or he's not answering or not seeing your stories. Then that means that person is ignoring you. So from these ways you can simply know that if that person is ignoring you or not, but we can't have that option. We don't have that option to know if someone is ignoring you. We can just have some idea. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.